Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the Halifax area in Kingston. It's actually in St. Andrew. Halifax is right by Barbican. You access Halifax from East Kings House Road. So the laws in these areas were recently changed, allowing more habitable homes or habitable rooms per acre. So that is why you have so much development going on in these areas. Now, Barbican has a lot of development, the Millsboro area, the Paddington area, and also Halifax. Now, the different areas have different rules as to how many habitable homes. Some areas allow 20 habitable rooms per acre, some allow 50. So obviously the more habitable rooms allowed is the more apartments etc you can put on an acre. So it's very important. So that is why you find people building a development in one area but they have it listed as a different address, because that way you can get around the restrictions as to how many units per acre. But nonetheless, the law changed, and that's why you have all these developments going up. Because before, you probably say you had 10 habitable rooms per acre. You could build 5 apartments. But if you have 50, you can now build 10 apartments on the same acre. So it's a lot more profitable. So it makes more sense. So that is why there's so much, or that's one of the reasons why there's so much development going on. Alright, so we're going to give you a tour of Halifax, where they have a lot of developments going on. So this is a very nice one here. This one on the right is actually finished. This is another one on the left. So we've passed 2 developments under construction, and there are quite a few more. And as you can see, they have lots of finished developments up already. Okay, on the left here, they have actually cleared the land, and right here on the left, and they're probably going to start one very soon. Okay, they have 3 developments down here now, in addition to quite a few that are finished already. So we'll go through we'll give you a tour. So this is another one that's under development, and over here is another one. And then across the road over here is another one where they put up the zinc fence. So this is just another view of these developments. So a lot of progress is going on. You really have to admire all the progress that's going on in Jamaica. Alright, so we're going to head back out to East King's House Road now. One thing I've noticed, it doesn't matter which area you're in, you have all these nice homes, all these nice apartments, a lot of developments, and the road is just terrible. Terrible. And you wouldn't believe that you have to pay land tax in Jamaica. You have to pay land tax. And one of the things that the land tax is supposed to be used for is to fix the roads. And they are terrible. You have some $1 billion developments, billion with a B, going up in Jamaica, and the road is terrible. It's really something that I'm very surprised at. No, these don't want to add up to billions, but look at the amount of developments going on, and every time you transfer property in Jamaica, you have to pay the government tax. If you go and you buy an apartment or a house today, you have to pay tax to the government. And look at the state of the roads. Definitely. Alright, so this is now East King's House Road. Something the government needs to really look into, the fixing of these residential roads. Now they have a program coming up, but we have to see it get going before we. And which road? They haven't announced the complete list of roads, but they have a program coming up, so we will keep you guys informed about it. It's supposed to fix the residential or the community roads. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.